Sprócar dún an linn tá se ó aithlinge eile tú mítain na foirní tá daoine gurcáin tá muid foirní tá ág tá muid teart suas agus I think tú le mór daoine gurcáin cosla déhmóidealta dhéanú agus hir na relation tá muid just géirí coneal an cinna bhfuil momentum sin gál.
Obviously we'd like to get to the All-Ireland again, that's our main aim. We got there last year, but it'll take a lot of hard work and there's so many teams in it this year, so it'll be a big challenge, but hopefully we can do it.
It's so hard to call, I think, really. There's so little between all of the teams, so I think everyone pretty much has a fighting chance. So it makes for great football.
It was a very tough provincial championship. We had Dublin, Kildare in the round stages, which were two very, very tough games, and then a tough Leinster final, which unfortunately we didn't come out on the right side of. So definitely disappointed after that, but also raring to go again. And we know we have more in us as well. So we're really excited now coming to the championship.
Lá speisialta tá na gcónaí a caint faoi hús na Craobh agus an taicsin leog atá le tíocht agus is dóigh na himráí a gáil ó neart go neart a gcónaí fórna nua tíocht an cín agus go leor banaisteoirí nua is tíimlíon na freisin is dóigh go méid an cúna thuirt go na fórna chun le dúchsacha rionsúcha acha agus sílan go méid skeitmín ar chola go na breanna mar tá sé tharbh omíoch agus le coppla bliana nuas tan comórt is tharbh oscailte chomá tá sé duchar rá cé heocha maithas ach is dóigh sin chuid gon dríocht amhána le Craobh TG4.
We're disappointed looking back on last year. It was kicking the ball against Leitrim in the quarter-final, who went on to win it. So we've been thereabouts the last couple of years. But no, lots of learnings to take from it. We'd be going in with confidence behind us after seeing how close we did come last year, and that we've a lot of girls back this year, and the experience from last year will definitely hopefully get us a little bit further this year.
We're after winning the Leinster there on Sunday, and I think the girls are just excited now to get going for the Leinster campaign. We have Limerick in the first round, so we've played them previous in the league, and we really went to the very end. Probably they could have levelled the game at the very end, but yeah, no, looking forward to it. Be hopefully a great game and a great championship.
We have to look at our group just to begin with, and we will take each game as that comes, and then you're playing the top of the second group, and you are of course looking at the likes of Louth and Limerick, and but we have to stick to our own group to begin with, and hopefully we'll get out of that stage in the semi-finals.
Like most intermediate teams heading into the championship, we're all kind of looking to win, but I think we're trying to right the wrong last year and get a little bit further and get back up to senior again.